Hey everyone, so I just got the video of NASA landing Curiosity on Mars. So I'm just gonna let the clip play real quick, let you guys watch it. So this is the video of 7 minutes of terror of what they like to call it, and then the landing on Mars. And if you just want to skip to the landing on Mars, skip to 6:31. I'll put a annotation on it. So yeah, guys, here you guys go. And this is not my video, so no copyright intended. I recorded it on my HD PVR and just uploaded it. Alright, guys, rate, comment, and subscribe.
Bank reversal 2 is starting. We are now getting telemetry from Odyssey. Bank reversal 2 complete.
Copy, bank reversal 2 complete.
Thanks.
Standby flight. We have a connection, but we actually do not have any data yet.
Copy.
We can expect some intermittent contact at this time as the signal increases to respectable levels.
There we go. We are now seeing telemetry
and we have
from
our
Odyssey.
CDPs.
Okay, copy.
And visualization is updated.
We have entered heading alignment.
There it goes.
At this time, Curiosity is no longer trying to control how far it's flying downrange and is just heading directly for the target.
End of range control, air used minus 1.2 kilometers.
Minus 1.2.
1.2.
The EL team is reporting that that things look pretty good at the end of range control. We have converged a lot of the error, and we should be heading toward the target.
Flight EDL, TDS warning is okay.
Copy.
Power none.
We are seeing a tone from
the 1 gigahertz.
indicating that we have seen heating on the heat shield through the Medley instrument. Everything looks fine. This is as expected. During the setting alignment phase, we're flying almost horizontally like a plane. We're going about Mach 2.4 at an altitude of 17 kilometers or so. Vehicle's reporting heartbeat tones again, indicating that everything is fine during heading alignments. We are standing by for straighten up and fly right, and parachute deploy. Vehicle's continuing to decelerate. We're down to about Mach 2. As a reminder, we should have parachute deploy around Mach 1.7. We're at 15 kilometers altitude.
We've begun entry balance mass jettison. The predicted mid distance downrange is 1.597 kilometers.
EDL ops, Odyssey systems on EDL ops.
Parachute deploy. Parachute. Thrusters have been re-enabled. We will control our attitude on shoot. We are decelerating.
Wrist mode under
Our 10 kilometers
parachute
decelerated
are 20
and
to
descending.
30
We are at
degrees
150 meters per second.
Dynamics phase. Come back again with wrist mode dynamics.
Wrist mode is nominal.
We are 9 kilometers and descending.
active.
Valid range.
Net filter converged with a velocity correction of 0.7 meters a second.
We've acquired the ground with the radar.
An altitude of 8 kilometers.
Speed shield has separated. We've found the ground.
Expand tones due to earth occultation as expected.
We're standing by to prime the MLE engines in preparation for powered flight. We're down to 90 meters per second at an altitude of 6.5 kilometers and descending.
Flight EDL, we got some Tweedo warnings. It is in battle short mode, so it should power through them.
Director Earth Communications at this time. We may have lost it already. We're down to 86 meters per second at an altitude of 4 kilometers and descending. We've lost tones from Earth at this time. This is expected. We're continuing on Odyssey telemetry.
Ground solution equals minus 10.8 meters, vertical velocity of minus 82.8
We are priming
meters per second.
Start enabled, standing by for backshell separation.
Signal to Odyssey is still strong.
We are in powered flight. We're at altitude of 1 kilometer descending, about 70 meters per second.
Signal to Odyssey remains
down to 50 meters per second, 500 meters in altitude. Standing by for sky crane.
Constant velocity accordion nominal, altitude error 5.9 meters.
We found a nice flat place. We're coming in ready for sky crane. Down to 10 meters per second, 40 meters altitude. Sky crane has started. Descending at about 0.75 meters per second as expected. Expecting bridle cut shortly.
Signal to Odyssey remains strong.
Tango Delta nominal.
Yep. UDLCOM configuration.
RIMU stable.
UHF telemetry.
RIMU stable.
UHF is good.
Touchdown confirmed. We're safe on Mars. Time to see where our curiosity will take us. At this time, flyaway should be complete. Descent stage is at a safe distance. We are continuing to receive telemetry from Curiosity. We're safe.
Getting data from the surface of Mars.
ASCAM sequence is kicked off, waiting for images.
Heads up, folks. EDL ops, the signal to Odyssey remains strong.
Flight EDL images are starting to come down.
We're beginning to get images
we got images
from Odyssey.
coming down, folks. UDLCOM configures
Stand by for images.
Reader has
Seeing
cam
thumbnails coming down.
Odyssey data is still strong.
Odyssey data is very strong.
Odyssey is nice and high in the sky. At this time, we're standing by for images.
Thumbnails are complete.
We got thumbnails.
Full image complete.
It's the wheel. It's the wheel.
We can see a wheel image. We are wheels down on Mars.
Oh my God.
We'll do a proper hug on the other side.
Keep watching, guys. Keep watching the screen. There's more stuff. Any minute now. No. 2:56.
Okay, okay. So here we are. We're going to start. Go ahead.
Okay.
So we have landed out at the time we thought we would, and we now have our first image.
We have our first image. This we've got is a 64 by 64 thumbnail. The front, a rear has-cam image. You can see the shadow there. I'm not sure exactly which our orientation is of the vehicle, but we're looking through it. I think in just a few minutes we might get even a larger 256 frame pixel image of that same end. So we're looking at the shadow. See, the horizon is actually in the distance. You can't really tell that. So we're looking actually at the shadow of this late afternoon sun.
So these are the rear has-cams.
These are the rear has-cams.
And it does have a dust cover on it.
It does have a dust cover, but it's the cover is a problem. It's the fact there's dust in the air because we've just blown dust all over the place with our descent engines.
Fantastic.